Good morning. This morning I found a new feature of Desmos, and I thought I would share it with you because I think it's really cool. This feature is called Here Graph, and rather than trying to explain what that is because it doesn't sound like anything right off the bat, I'll show you how to do it. So here we have very simple graph y equals x. Notice that in Desmos we don't have to write the y equals if we don't wish to. We just can write the x and we get a straightforward graph. But it's a little sidebar there. Any rate, if you open up the keyboard there, you'll notice a new button, this speaker button. If you press that speaker button, you get a menu here, the Here Graph menu. Press the Here Graph button, and you hear the graph. Lower pitches, lower volumes are for lower down on the graph. Higher pitches are for higher up on the graph, for higher output values, obviously. Let's hear that one again. Okay. If we wanted to see, or if we wanted to hear rather, x squared, here's a nice little parabola. Again, go to the same process, press on that button, press on the Here Graph. And here's a third example. This time I'm going to put all three up at the same time, but notice you're only going to hear the one that's been highlighted. So let's go to the e to the x, open up that keyboard, press on that speaker button. We can go ahead and hear the graph. Now you're going to hear a pop this time because every time you have a point of intersection, you're going to hear a pop to represent that point of intersection. Okay. Going back to this graph here, y equals x. You're going to hear two pops. And I also want to point out the fuzzy noise when it's negative. It cues up audio that there's a little fuzz over the sound to indicate that it's negative. So there you go. That's the Here Graph function. Very simple concept and very impressive execution because, as I say, I can now hear a graph. I can now have a different impression of what it means. And I think that it adds a new layer, a new dimension to understanding what these graphs indicate.